Hi, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed 10-inch universal double-in for Toyota Tundra 2011, and that's where we mount the backup camera to the tailgate handle. This is our latest unit. It's a 10-inch screen. The mounting, you can use single DIN mounting to install this 10-inch universal. It's a fully Android system. It's fully touch. That's a radio. That's the main menu of the unit. You can go to your apps and you can download whatever apps you want. You can use Google Maps. Also, you can use offline maps such as iGo navigation. And backup camera, when you go to reverse, it switches automatically to reverse. As I said, it's a 10-inch screen. It's a really handy unit for bigger trucks. We hook it up to the steering wheel control too, so easy you can change between channels or volume up or down. Comes with Bluetooth. Right now there is no Bluetooth, but you can do Bluetooth music streaming. Also you can play MP4 through the USB that we located in the glove box, video and audio. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you.